Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix MMS messaging requires your phone number. So guys, when you try to turn on MMS messaging in your iPhone or when you try to send any MMS and you are facing this issue that you need to require any phone number to activate MMS messaging. So first of all guys, you need to go back on your home screen and after this open your settings, and now you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and now go back. So guys, after this, scroll it down and now you need to click on apps, and after this scroll it below, and from here you need to click on messages app, click on it. And guys, after this you can see multiple options here, and here you can see the option of MMS messaging. So guys, as you can see, simply you have to turn it on firstly, and after this you need to scroll it up, and here from here you can see the option of iMessage, and now you need to click on send and receive. And when you have click on it, from here you need to select any phone number, primary or secondary, and you have to select any number and you will receive an OTP, and after this your number will be verified on iMessage and MMS. So guys, after this your problem will be fixed and you will use this feature easily. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Apple Sport app, select your iPhone, click on more, and now you will see this type of interface. Scroll it down, click on messages. After clicking on it, you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, as you will see, scroll it down, click on call, and you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem that you are facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.